guys, what's up? It's your boy Eyes on Cox here. Today we're back at it again with another video. I haven't been making much video because I gotta work. I gotta go to school, then I have to go to boxing, and then the only time left is 7:30. And you guys don't want nighttime videos. So that's gonna suck because I'm blacking out. What? But anyways, I'm gonna introduce y'all to the great and only Grandma Brenda.
Hey, what's up? What's shaking? Making breakfast.
She's making some breakfast. We have some bacon. Yeah, what is that? Some biscuit.
Grits and eggs.
Grits and eggs.
And biscuits, grits and eggs, and bacon and sausage.
We finna get turned up, okay? Finna get turned up. But anyways, guys, I'm glad you guys, you guys like me. I've only had like 5 viewers per episode. I mean per video, but I'm trying.
He teared up something up there. Look like my shoe. Somebody better get her. She about to get the business.
You got the shoe. You got the shoe.
You about to get the business, dog.
Anyways, guys, how y'all doing? I'm doing good.
You gotta tell me something exciting. Something about school. Something about something.
So at school, right? So sooner or later, we're gonna be having a field trip.
Something how you like school. Something what's going on.
School is going great. Soon we're gonna go to the most. That's gonna be fun. Nothing's really exciting with school, am I right? Yeah.
I just bought some orange juice.
But anyways, guys, I'm probably only gonna be making short clips because my storage in my tablet it's technically full because I have so many videos of my little niece, and I have one photo of my niece. But yeah, Cheerios. Okay, see you guys later. Hope you guys surf the tidal wave. Goodbye.